Hello guys, welcome to the 14th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In the previous session we have learned how to use event handler in Blazor. Blazor also allows us to use a different event handler for each control. Means pass event handler for control from its parent control. In this session we will create a new checkbox component in which we will pass ID, value, text to be displayed on the component. Along with this, we will pass the event handler for this checkbox. Let's create a new component for checkbox. Create a parameter for string checkbox ID. Copy paste this and update it for checkbox text, checkbox value, and event callback of type UI change event args on check change. Let's create UI using those parameters. I will use Bootstrap for styling. Create a form check. Create a checkbox. Now set value to checkbox value. In onChange event, call the event handler. Set checkbox ID. Now create label and set checkbox text. We have created the checkbox component. Now we need to create a parent component in which we will use this. And add component named parent control. Set the page directive for parent control. Now let's use checkbox component. Text will be first checkbox. Value first. ID check first. Now let's define event handler for this. First checkbox handler, here we will get UI change event args. From this event args, we can determine whether the user checked or unchecked the checkbox. Let's print its status from value. Set this handler in the parameter. Now let's create another checkbox component. Set text, value, ID, create different handler for this checkbox. Second checkbox handler, here I am just printing the message in the console. Now set this handler in the parameter. Now save and run the project. Open that page. Here we got two different checkboxes. Open Developers tool. Check first checkbox. We got true here. Now uncheck it. We got false. So let's check the second checkbox. It displays a check change message. So here we have created two different event handlers for the same component. Now we'll see what we have learned in this session. Here is a checkbox component that we have created. Here we have defined event handler. The property will be event callback of type UI change event args. In parent control, we have pass method in the property of event callback. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.